Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a financial setback with Mint, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Mint app or visit the Mint website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Review your financial overview to identify where you stand. Take note of recent transactions and any categories that may have contributed to your setback. Next, go to the Budgets section. Set a budget for each spending category based on your current income. Adjust your budget as needed to reflect your financial situation. Click on Bills to see upcoming payments and due dates. Prioritize your bills to avoid late fees and manage your cash flow. Now, head over to the Goals section. Create specific financial goals for recovery, such as rebuilding savings or reducing debt. Use the insights from your spending patterns to guide your goals. Next, consider using the Trends feature. Analyze your spending trends over the past months. Identify areas where you can cut back. Use the Insights feature to receive personalized tips based on your financial habits. Take action on these insights by implementing small changes to your spending. Once you have a plan, track your progress regularly on the dashboard. Adjust your strategies as necessary based on your progress. Make it a habit to review your finances weekly. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. With consistent effort and the tools Mint provides, you can recover from your financial setback and work toward a more stable future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.